Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on the Myfitnesspal. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website, we have to set the name, and after setting the name, we have to click on this first link, and after clicking on the first link, as you can see, start today. As a simple option, you just have to create your account. So as you can see, if you scroll down, you will get options like this. As you can see, this is the profile icon. You have to accept this. So I'm going to click on the accept. If you want to download the app of this, you can also download the app. You have to click on the start today, and after clicking on this, you will get the app easily from the Play Store. So I'm going to click on the continue. As you can see, you have to read this carefully, and then you have to hit the continue button. And after that, we have to provide the first name. Let's click on the next, and then we have to provide the lose weight, and then let's click on the next, and then we have to click on the next again. So as you can see, we have to choose any interest from this. Did not invite, and you have to do this all, and let's click on the next, and then we have to click on the next again. We have to answer these answers. We have to answer these questions. For example, I'm going to answer these. So we have to choose the date here, and now I'm going to choose the date, and then we have to choose the month again. So let's choose the month, and that I'm going to choose the month here. You have to provide your birth date here, as you can get the better results. So we have to choose the country from here as well. So I'm going to choose the country, and then we need to hit the next. So as you can see, after providing the password and email address, we will get this username. And after getting this username, if you want to change this, you can also change this. And then we have to click on the finish. And after clicking on the finish, we have to wait for a few seconds. And after waiting the few seconds, your account will be created. So we have to wait. Let's wait. So as you can see now, your daily net calorie goal is 2,450 calories. We have to burn these calories. Let's click on the explore my fitness pal. So let's click on this. So as you can see now, the website is open. Now if you want to start your free trial, you can also do that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.